guys, so today walk right in. Okay, let's do it in E major. It's quite simple. All you will have to do, it's basically E, C sharp, 7, F sharp, C, B7, sorry, F sharp, B7, and E. Okay, let's do again the chords. E goes to C sharp, F sharp, B7, and E. Okay, so this is for the beginning. Okay, so walk right in, sit right down, daddy, let your mind roll on. You can do A7 for transition, and then you do it again, but we're gonna stay more on the F sharp. Walk right in, sit right down, daddy, let your mind roll on. We're gonna wait on the B7. Okay, everybody hear the E. Everybody's talking about a new way of walking. A major. Do you wanna lose your A minor mind? Okay, so do you wanna lose your mind? Walk right in, sit right down, daddy, let your mind roll on. Okay, let's do it. I do this as an intro. Walk right in, sit right down, daddy, let your mind roll on. Walk right in, sit right down, daddy, let your mind roll on. Everybody's talking about a new way of walking. Do you wanna lose your mind? Walk right in, sit right down, daddy, let your mind roll on. Okay, that's the same, repeat and repeat and repeat as much as you want. I mean, depending on your lineup, if you're alone, you're not gonna repeat too much. But maybe you're working with a soloist and they're gonna solo, so you know, then you can do whatever you want. And at the end, daddy, let your mind roll on. Okay, for the coda, you go back in, you go into the C sharp to like link, you know what I mean. Okay, so walk right in, sit right down.